Okay, moving on to our next example. Example 3. We'll do 3x over 2 plus y equals 6, and x plus y equals 5. We'll call this equation 1, we'll call this equation 2, and now we have to decide what to do here. Well, the coefficients of the y terms are the same, so that's good. We also have a fraction in equation 1, which is not good. So we have a couple choices. We can decide to eliminate the y and deal with the fraction after, or we can eliminate deal with the fraction and then multiply equation 2 to get a common coefficient. Doesn't really matter since we're why don't we get rid of the fraction in equation 1 first? So multiplying everything in equation 1 by 2, we get 3x plus 2y equals 12. I forgot to put a different color. X plus y equals 5. Let's put that in blue. So now in equation 2, we don't have any of the same coefficients as 3x and 2y, so if we just multiplied equation 2 by 2 or 3, why not 2, let's keep it smaller, we would get the proper coefficients. So now we're going to end up with 2x plus 2y equals 10. So like I said, we could have eliminated the y's right off the bat and then dealt with the fraction after by doing, I don't know, 1.5 minus 1, getting 1/2 x. But, you know, why don't we just get rid of the fractions first? I think it's probably easier to multiply that second equation by 2, but it doesn't really matter. That's kind of your own personal choice. So now we're going to use subtraction because if you haven't figured it out yet, when you have the same operation or the same sign, you use subtraction because 2 minus 2 would be 0. If they have opposite signs, then you want to add them because opposite things added together would be 0. So 3x minus 2x is x, 2y minus 2y is 0, and 12 minus 10 is 2. So now we have x equals 2. Plugging into the original second equation, this is obviously going to be way easier. 2 plus 3 equals 5. I'm just going to do that mentally because it's so simple. Equation 2 was x plus y equals 5, so 2 plus 3 equals 5 makes a lot of sense. We think, again, our answer is 2 comma 3. We're going to plug it in to equation 1. So 3 times 2, so 6 divided by 2, 3 plus 3 equals 6. That works. And again, 2 plus 3 is 5. That works. So our answer is correct. So now you have 4 techniques on solving systems. The first one was graphing. The second one is substitution. And the third one is elimination with addition or subtraction. And kind of like the 3.5, the fourth one kind of is multiplication with elimination using addition or subtraction. But again, 3 and 4, those are kind of the same technique. So I'll give you a few questions that you can work on for homework. So here they are, homework questions. And let's have you, I think 2 of these should be sufficient. Let's go with number 1. 4x minus 2y equals 10. And 3x minus y equals 12. That's your first one. And number 2, let's do m plus 2n equals 6. And negative 2m plus 4n equals 28. All right. So work on those two problems for homework. And write down any questions that you have. Thank you. Let's get rid of that.